Yeah. Yo, what time the plane leaving? Right. See you at the airport. Hey. I'm leaving on the next plane. I don't know when I'll be back again. Kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you know I'll never go. Even though you know I will, I'm a traveling man, moving through places.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Traveling Gun. I am Thomas. Today's video is going to be a hotel review of the Appa Hotel Kiba in Tokyo. The Appa Hotel is a brand name hotel that's throughout Japan. They have over 400 different hotels throughout Japan. I chose to stay at this one for the simple fact of because I've been to Japan 3 times. And the very first time I stayed at a different brand hotel. The second time I went to Tokyo, I stayed at the Appa in Shinjuku. And this third time I went and stayed because, in a sense, this was probably the most affordable one that we could find online, because I went during the time of New Year's Eve. So of course hotels and Airbnb's prices are going to be a lot higher at that specific time. But going through the room, it is a very small room. Is very tiny and narrow and cozy. They give you house shoes. They have inside of the bathroom. In Tokyo, for whatever reason, every bathroom has a bidet. There's a very deep tub for you to take a shower in. Also, one thing about the Appa Hotel here in Kiba is that you can tell that it's not as modern. Well, actually, it's not more modern, but it probably isn't as, it's older. Not saying that it's run down or anything like that, because it is not. But it sits in a quiet side of town in Kiba where it's not a lot going on. If you have a picky eater or someone who's not into, you're tired of Japanese food, there is a Domino's maybe half a block away. The staff is friendly. You also can purchase breakfast for an extra fee. There's TVs there's a TV in the room. And the controls for the heating and the air are pretty easy and simple to navigate if you know it's not in Japanese. And also everyone in this staff, well, it's just a front desk, speaks English. So therefore you won't have any problem or any language barrier. There's always someone there that does speak English for you. But I would recommend this Appa Hotel to anyone who's just trying not to stay into the city, or you just need somewhere to stay, because these hotels run pretty cheap. The cheapest I've seen it run from $39 all the way up to $70, $80, $90 a night. So it's a good brand of hotel. It's pretty cheap, very affordable. They have them all over the city of Tokyo, so you have many options to choose from. So this is not some one standalone hotel. They have many all over the city of Tokyo. But this particular review is of the one in Kiba. One thing I liked about this hotel is that the access to the train station was very convenient. It was a 5-minute walk from the Kiba station in Kiba. And so therefore you don't have to walk a long ways just to get to the train station, so you can go into the city to enjoy yourself. So thank you all for watching this hotel review. I will be leaving another review of another hotel that I stayed in Tokyo during this time, because I ended up getting stuck. If you want to know why I got stuck in Tokyo, somewhere up here will be a link to the other video that I made of why I got stuck. Make sure you like, subscribe, share this video if you found this review helpful. And please subscribe. And I will have other reviews for you in the future. I want to thank you all for watching. My name is Thomas. Y'all have a great day.
I'm leaving on the next plane. I don't know